Greetings, Mark Brown. You're going to be looking at how we can insert a video right here in Google Slide. Yes. So therefore, we're going to open the Google Slide and you see exactly what's going on. So I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to open it. So if you are not signed in, you're going to take it to a sign in page in which you have to sign in. Right. So definitely, as you can see, I actually signed in already. So in order for me to insert the video, I need a blank. So I'm going to click right here on the blank section, and then if you notice up here, so it's untitled presentation. Notice right, it's a click to add title, right? But the page that I want to put the video on, right, it's a different slide. So I'm going to come over, right, I'm going to close like this. So I'm going to come over here. You notice you see the plus, so you can input a slide. So I'm going to click right at the pointer here. You notice these are all the different type of slide. So what I want is a blank one. So I'm going to click right there on the blank one. So I want to insert the video on this page here. So I want to come right over here and click on the word insert. Notice when I click on the word insert, you see image, you see text, you see audio, you see video, shape, tables, and all that. So I'm going to click on video. Now when I click on video, you bring up this here. I show that I can get a video directly from YouTube or from Google Drive. To get it from YouTube, you click right here up at top. You can actually search for a video. You notice as soon as I start here it show you up. But if you don't want it from YouTube, you can come right here and click on Google Drive. Once you click on Google Drive, show you all of these video right here, right? So it's a recent. When you come right here and click on recent, right, you will see some of these video. Now that's so I'm going to click on this one. So I'm going to click on it. So as soon as I click on it, you notice right here it says select one. I can click here and close it. Right here say insert. I'm going to click on the word insert. Now when I click on the word insert, notice it right here. But not only that, if you notice right here, you see show your video playback, formatting option, and all of that. So when you click right here, show that you can size it and rotate it. You can put it in a different position. Right, you can drop shadow and all of that. Very important. So I come right here, you can actually close that. Right, and this is what it look like. So I'm going to put this into slideshow by coming right up here and click it. Now when I click on it, if you notice right here, it's a loading. So you see exactly how the video look like. Right, you notice this is a video because it's a mobile video, that's why it actually show half of the page. Right, so you can literally click on it just like that. You notice the video actually ready. So click on that to stop it and all that. You want it to stop it, you notice this plus. Come right here so and click and take it directly back. But if you don't like this video, you can just click on it and press the backspace. We're going to go back again and try a different one. So when I try a different one, now we're going to try this one wider to the screen. Right. So if you notice this one is wider to the screen, right far, right here. So you notice to give it the same playback. So we're going to close this for the time being. Click back on show. You're going to see exactly how it look like. Alright, you notice this one actually full up the screen, so you can actually click right in here and the video start to play. If you want to start the video, you can press the escape key. I can come right here and click just like that. So this is where you actually insert a video in Google Slide. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.